French fries, super fries, and my flat tray. I use my Bronco grill for a lot of things, but French fries, they don't really stay in the basket too well. So I'm trying my larger grill, toaster oven. Just warming that up a little bit. It kind of is a grill, but it's a toaster oven, so even smaller one is pretty good, I think. I don't have a lot of money for the new upgrades, Ninja grills, stuff like that. So I tossed out the air fryer. I think it was pretty crappy. The basket of the air fryer tends to come off. Toss that out. Plus I see it isn't the donation store now for illegal drifting. Not really a big deal for the air fryer. It's pretty small little basket, but pieces underneath, like paint or whatever they have, it comes off. See how this guy does. Well, I didn't cook a whole lot of French fries, but it didn't work. And I'll use it, not after I put it into the basket. And French fries, they might slip out if they're short. And the rotisserie, I tossed that out. It only cooks the chicken on the outside, not the inside. Maybe the newer ones cook better, I don't know. Yeah, I tossed quite a lot of things out. If I see something new coming up this spring, I might take a look. But this guy I picked up not too long ago, so it's a new addition. Toaster oven. It's got a little crumb tray, which is a bonus. I checked on eBay. This thing almost costs $150 to $200, so pretty expensive for a large piece like this. I'm glad I picked it up because it does pizza. Not too bad. I'm going to see how it does French fries today. Thanks for watching. I guess most of you are like me as well, trying these gadgets out. I can't really afford the new stuff that comes out. If you get it cheaper, then buy it cheaper. Don't really care about the box as long as you get a good price on it. Even if you find it at a garage sale, pick something up. Well, see how this does for French fries. Might take 20 minutes, I think. They're frozen. Thanks for watching. December French fries in the toaster oven. Looks like good old-fashioned toaster does work. Toaster oven. Smaller one, you might have it a bit of a problem because you can't put a lot of stuff into a smaller toaster oven, but you don't need to go out and spend $300 to make French fries. That's how much the new appliances cost. $200, $300. They charge you up big time. And you can buy a simple toaster oven, or the Bronco grill works pretty good, but some small fries that they might fall out. So I'm giving this a go. Thanks for watching. Gotta let it go for probably another 20 minutes now, since it has some time to defrost. Been in there about 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. See how much it browns up. Okay, my plate. Things are about done. And those look pretty good to me. About 20 minutes. You want them more golden, keep them longer. Some of these shorter ones with this machine, they tend to fall through. So, pretty good. Happy to have it. Thanks for watching French fries and the grill. Well, countertop oven, but it's really grill. Now I just have to unplug it, or it keeps going till the timer turns off. Toaster oven, a little bit larger one, but I don't know why they named it a countertop oven, but it's really a toaster oven. It has the same kind of cooking thing the toaster oven does, so I'm pretty happy with it. Might buy a smaller one as well, who knows. They all look pretty good. Some ketchup upstairs. Thanks for watching. French fries in the toaster oven. Who knew? Okay, so I got the ketchup. Next month I might do something else for lunch. We'll see. See how it tastes. Cooked. I can let it go a little bit longer if I want them more golden brown, but they're all pretty cooked. It's about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching French fries in the toaster oven. I don't use foil because it tends to stick to the food too much. I have to peel little bits of foil off after. If you want them more golden, you can let it go another 20 minutes. That's enough for me. Thanks for watching.